Here we are taking the same experiment, that rolling a die and getting the outcomes of that rolling a die. So by this example we'll try to understand what is probability distribution function. In the previous lecture we have understood what is random variable and what is frequency function. So in the previous case we have seen that P of x is equal to x6 is equal to that frequency function, which we have written it like this. You see in the example 9, here we have written P of x is equal to x6. This writing like this, or P of x6 writing that like that, that is the frequency function. So when the is equal to sign is there, P of x equal to x6, when it is there, that time we say that probability of x is equal to x6 or P of x6, that the writing variation of this is indicating that is it is the frequency function. So probability of finding is 6, that is frequency function. That particular value it has assumed, but when it is not decided that it is a particular value, up to this particular value it will be taking, then another way is to represent the probability distribution function. Probability distribution function is the cumulative of addition of the frequency functions. So if you see it, a function closely related to the frequency function is the probability distribution function. The distribution function yields the probability that a random variable will be less than or equal to some specified value xc. Here we are seeing the way of representation of the probability distribution function, that what we are writing, that we are not writing that P of x is equal to x6 here xc. What we are writing, P of x is less than or equal to xc, and this is equal to the summation of all the frequency functions at that particular instant of event, that is k is equal to minus infinity to g. So if we say that probability function probability of xk means it may be probability of x1, probability of x2, probability of x3, probability of x4, probability of x5, probability of x6. Likewise, the summation of frequency function yields the probability distribution function. Here we have seen the example that probability of rolling a die and getting the particular output. So probability of rolling a die and getting a 1, it is indicated by 1 by 6, it has been plotted. Probability of rolling a die and getting 2, it is again 1 by 6. Probability of rolling a die and getting a 6, again it is frequency function, that is 1 by 6, and again the probability of rolling a die and getting a 4, that is 1 by 6. So probability of rolling a die and getting a 5, that is again 1 by 6, and probability of rolling a die and getting a 6, that is again the probability of that experiment. So 1 by 6, so we can write it likewise also, P of x1, P of x2, P of x3, P of x4, P of x5, like that we have taken. But this probability, all the events, all the outcomes